Yes, hello again. Today, we will once again talk about Turkish courts in general. Turkish courts generally proceed based on the file. You present your evidence. The necessary official documents are obtained from the required official departments. It proceeds in this way. Is there no hearing? Of course, there is a hearing, but the hearings are 5 minutes apart. The judge pushes a lot, doesn't give much leeway anyway. It continues in this way. Only the heavy penal courts. They can last long and be contentious. Apart from that, other courts proceed in a simple manner. So, don't expect too much justice. In the meantime, I think they will tell you openly in this way. You won't find anyone else either. I recommend being very thorough when filing a lawsuit in Turkish courts. Of course, I mentioned this before. As a foreign citizen or a foreigner living abroad, you can file a lawsuit in Turkey. Does it require prior permission according to your citizenship or not? I already mentioned this in my previous video. You take this into consideration accordingly. Apart from that, you can already file your lawsuit. Whether it requires prior permission or not, you can file it. Now, there is another issue. You are a foreign citizen and you want to marry a Turkish citizen in Turkey. Documents will be requested from you on this matter. What are they? A certificate of marital status from the country of your citizenship will be requested. In Turkey, marital status is recognized in 3 ways. In the records, single, married, and divorced are recognized. You need to have one of these 3 marital statuses. If you are already married, you cannot marry. You bring it from your own country. Your marital status document is single or divorced. You bring the Turkish translation of your passport with an apostille and the marital status document with a Turkish translation and apostille. You submit your application. However, you need to have a residence permit is required. Additionally, you proceed this way and get married. However, if you have been previously married and divorced, they may request the court decision with an apostille and Turkish translation from you. Additionally, since in Turkey the marital status is recorded as single, married, and divorced, if in your country it is only recorded as married and single, and if they give you a single marital status after divorce, they may not accept it when you bring it to Turkey. But they are supposed to accept it normally. Since we record it in 3 ways, some officials insist on not understanding this. In this case, you can contact us. We will assist you with this matter. This way you can proceed with your marriage in Turkey if you are married to a Turkish citizen and you are considering divorce in Turkey. We do not recommend it, because if the divorce is contested in Turkey, it can be a very lengthy and complicated process. For this reason, we recommend getting divorced in your own country. After the divorce, you provide the necessary documents to your former Turkish citizen spouse. Since they are already a Turkish citizen, they can register this in the civil registry in their own country. Thank you.